guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be showing you a simple DIY whipped shea butter. This butter is going to help keep moisture in the hair and increase softness. So we are going to be needing only shea butter, coconut oil and olive oil. Shea butter has many potential benefits for hair and skin. It is very moisturizing for the hair and scalp, and also likewise coconut oil. Coconut oil helps hair grow longer and thicker and it also helps in nourishing the scalp. So the last ingredients that we are going to be using is olive oil. Olive oil also moisturizes the hair and reduces scalp irritation. So these are the three things that we'll be using: shea butter, coconut oil and extra virgin olive oil. You can add more oil if you have. You can add in castor oil or whatever oil that you prefer. These are the ones that I have and I will be using. So now I'm going to be doing the double boiling method just to fasten things up. So guys, now that my oil is well melted, I am going to be placing it inside the fridge for it to get solidified. So guys, as you can see, I'm done whipping it and I went ahead and stored it inside this container. It is very smooth and fluffy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye bye. See you guys on my next one.